How to tweet, like post on Twitter account. So open the Twitter applications, then you will see options like these plus icon options and photos and post. So click on it, the post options, and go it, and like what's happening to, oh, hey everybody, hey everyone, like this my tag, and post now, and location add, and customize like this, choose option like poll, and other options like add another post, and choose the photo like this photo allow, and add now, and post all. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.